everyone, welcome to Bonsai Den Haag. My name is Rodrigo Lima. Today I will be working on this tree. We will be doing a second styling to it, and I got this tree 2 years ago, and was just raw material from a nursery. And I did the first styling with a friend of mine, Bonsai Club, and today I am gonna be working on for the second time. I reported this tree, I think, also two years ago, 2018. I reported 2018. I will be doing restyling. Today is the 7th of June, and I will be working on it, and probably I will be reporting this tree in a new container next spring. Now it's just in a plastic training pot, and let me see what we can do with it. So the tree, as you can see, it's very vigorous, and we're gonna be seeing what, every time you work again at the tree, you see other things and see new possibilities. This tree was supposed to be kind of shoot trunk style, and when I did the repotting, probably I cut too much of the root, and as you can see, the second trunk here completely died off. So you can see what front will be the best one again, and I will be rewiring it, at least a part of it today, see what's possible. Let me give you a close-up of the trunk. So there is some dead wood work here, and I really like junipers with dead wood. I don't have like the best material yet, but I'm working on it, and still this has a lot of potential. And first the front was like this. So it had two trunks and this dead wood at the top, but I'm probably going to change the front. It has on this side a lot more movement here, and I will be probably doing something like this, that both the main trunk and the dead wood going to the right, and I will be making the rest of the tree go to the left. And so let's see what we can do. the new front. I just placed this piece of aluminum wire right here to show what will be the new front. So I like this front because it has a lot of movement in the trunk, and we have a little peak here of the live vein of the Juniper. And I am trying to decide if I will keep this branch here or not, but probably I will make from this gin feature, deadwood feature, and I will be taking this will be the new first branch, and this branch right here, doubting if I will keep it or not. It has snapped right here, as you can see, once I was trying to bend with the existing wire, but I will put a new, it's just a snap on the top. I think the branch will survive, and I will put a thicker wire on this branch together with the first branch, and this will be the new front. I also wired this gin here to give a little bit more movement, since it's raining a lot. This dead wood was quite wet, so I was able to give more movement to match the top gin right here. And I will be making the canopy move to the left, so that we have like a backwards movement, and this will be the new this branch I brought to the behind this deadwood here. So we have extra branch right here, and I will be pruning a little bit more to push the movement more to the left, back to the left. So here we can see the front of the tree, and I just finished setting up the structure. I decided to keep this branch because when we do the repotting next year, the pot will come until this part right here. So as you can see, we have enough space between the pot and the first branch, and I will do the detail wiring. I don't know if I will do it today or maybe another time, but at least the main structure is set up of this new design. And I also put a wire here with a piece of rubber to protect the trunk right here, and I brought the dead wood more closely to the main trunk. Another thing that I did is I set up both branches, and the next step will be putting pruning a little bit of the canopy and taking off the wire that are biting in the branches, and setting up the detail wire and working on the canopy. And I will be working from bottom up, and we can first wire the first branch and then the second one, and we have enough branches to cover this whole tree. So like I said, the last step will be doing the detail wiring, and for now I will leave the tree like it is, and I will keep you posted on this tree, and I will do the detail wiring soon, and I will show you that on my Instagram page. So follow also my Instagram, Bonsai Den Haag, to see how this tree turned out in the detail wiring. I will do a time lapse of that later on, but for now, thank you for watching, and follow for more. Push the like button if you like it, and if you have any questions, post it in the comments below, and I see you next time in Bonsai Den Haag.